Hello, I'm Tom from Holdencopley. Today we have a beautiful 4-bed detached family home in the ever popular West Bridgford area on Willow Road. Follow me. Here we have the main living space, which benefits from the west facing garden, a lot of natural light coming from the front and the rear of the property, leading through to the parquet floored conservatory, which again looks out over the west facing garden, nice and private with the scope to potentially extend in the future. And now through to the dining space, which is a great sociable space for those entertaining with family and friends come over and join you for an evening meal. And here we have the family-sized kitchen, superb working top space, and an always very handy pantry for all your goodies.
From the kitchen, we can gain access to the garden through the utility room. A useful sink basin unit is already installed with enough plumbing for those essential home and kitchen appliances. On the first floor, we have the 4 very useful bedroom spaces. The 2 larger doubles at the front of the property, the master benefiting from storage suitable for a sharing couple with the added bonus of a shower ensuite. The 2 smaller bedrooms look out over the garden to the rear, sitting either side of the family bathroom. Whether it be home office or child's bedroom, this house gives you many options. The outside of the property is what really showcases its potential. Off-street parking with double garage to suit, enough space for ground floor or 2-story extension to make this into the dream long-term family house.